Hello good people, welcome to a Focus on Fragrance channel. I hope you're all doing very well and smelling great. So today in this video I will tell you how to set up a reed diffuser from any brand, any house that you have. So basically these are the reed diffusers, which is the best way to fill up your room, your apartment, all of your house with the fragrance notes that you guys love the most. So guys, after setting up the diffusers, it would look something like these. This one is, all of these are from Miniso. This is the bergamot and fig. This is the green wood. So this would look like this, and these all are new, so I would set them up. So let's start guys. Which one should I pick? The Bahamian breeze, jasmine? Let's go with peach. And the best thing about these minisos are that you can just open them from here and test them how they smell. So this is like a citrusy peach. Let's open it up. I don't like these packaging. These are the 28 ml, well these are the 100 ml. I like this packaging more. Obviously they are bigger, that's why I think. And this packaging looks good, but I don't like them so much. So from here, the step number one guys, first of all you take out the reeds. Basically these are sticks made up of fiber or cloth, fabric type of a thing, whatever you want to call them. So these are going to be the reed sticks. They have an artificial flower, which is appreciated. And guys, to take that bottle out, wear type of thing you have to do, you have to first take out this tester and then open it from the bottom, and from here you can easily pull out the bottle. Be careful, it might fall down. I don't like this packaging at all. So the box, I do keep the perfume boxes, but this one will throw them away. So the second step, first step guys, you take out the reed sticks, and the second step is you open up this lid, and inside there is a stopper. You have to remove that. From any brand you are getting a diffuser, this step is followed by every reed diffuser guys, so the setup is the same for everyone. Oh, it is so fit. Okay, a good pop sound. So a tip guys, as many reeds you put in here, the faster this would evaporate. So let's try to put all of the 4 reeds over here. And the basic thing guys is, for the reed sticks, tries to absorb the oil from the bottle and takes it all the way to up here, which will evaporate in the air from here. And sorry, I forgot guys, you have to do it like this. See, even I can forget things. Place this around here and put that reed sticks inside. And the other tip you have to do is, if you see the color change of the sticks after 1 hour, 2 hours, or even 24 hours, you just have to flip them over and turn their side over again like this. Be careful not to spill, and this will be filling up your room. I haven't tested these, so after testing it out I will tell you how long they last, how good they are. So let me do another one. So let me do this one. This is the pear blossom. I like the packaging of this one a lot. So first of all you should take out this cardboard which is holding this all together, and this first step is to take out your reed sticks. Okay, let's throw that away. And secondly, you're gonna get your bottle inside. Okay, I think we can take it out from the bottom. Yes. Okay, so the sticks from the top and the bottle from the bottom, and you can do it the same way just like the previous one. Open the reed sticks, open the cap, unplug this. Okay, they are so tight. Okay, a good pop, and just throw the sticks in, all of them. Okay guys, so after 1 hour or 2-3 hours, as better with you, you can flip them over and the oil will go up from here to the sticks all the way in your room. So for the longevity, I would test them out for the siege and everything. I would give my final verdict after a few days, guys. So this is the way how you set up a scent diffuser, guys. This was all for this video. Until the next video, guys, take care. Bye bye.